All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a creative person whose work you admire. So please.
Well, I think everyone has some creativity in her or him. Some people shows their creativity in the kitchen and by making some different foods. Some shows their creativity in the kitchen gardens, and some people show their creativity in designing the dresses. Here, I would like to talk about my cousin Farah, and whose work always fascinate me and attract me. And she has done masters in fine arts, and her specialty is illustration, but she is multitasking. She is a big artist. She can make different design, she can make different dresses, and she is mastered in handicraft. She made some unique bags and shoes, and along with all these unique qualities, she is a good decorated, I'm sorry, what should I say, she decor has her home in very nice manners. So all these things make her very favorite of mine.
All right, thank you. You spoke for 1 minute 15 seconds. Overall, it's quite good. Your fluency is good, your ideas are good, but there are grammatical mistakes.
Okay, sir.
As you started, you used the word show several times. Show, show, show. That is what
Yeah.
we call repetition of
Repetition.
words, right? Sometimes you can say show, demonstrate, exhibits. Words
Okay.
should be used
Okay.
like that. Then you said some show. It should be, you said some shows. It should be, some is plural actually. Some people show. And then you said people shows. It should be people show.
Show.
And then you talked about your friend and you said she fascinate and attract me. It should have been she fascinates and attracts me.
Attracts.
Use of SES. So it's grammar, otherwise you're fine, right? Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Do you think you are a creative person?
Yes, I think I am a creative person because I am a nurse by profession, and I have to do a lot of artistic work in my profession. Like I have to design the different trolleys and trays for the procedures for the patients, and the nursing is an art and science. So during the work
That's it.
in the
Now your
clinical
answer is
area.
getting longer. So at the end, you can say yes to answer your question. I find myself a very creative person, right? Overall, it's good. Coordinate with the examiner and improve your grammar.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.